Okay, in this video, I want to share to you about how to make folded shading on commercial building. First of all, we have to make the floor with using the rotate rectangle and click on the origin. Okay, then we can set the length of this commercial building around 20 meter and enter. And then we can set the depth of the commercial building around 15 meter and enter. Okay, then we can get the plane and we can click this plane and push it up around 1 meter for slab thickness. Okay, then we can triple click, right click and make group, and also we can right click and make component create. Okay, then we can select move, then we can click this corner and place to this position, and we can move it up around 3.6 meter. So this is about the floor to ceiling dimension. Okay, this is about the floor to ceiling dimension around 3.6 meter, and this is about the depth of this building around 15 meter and the length of this building around 20 meter. And I will erase this dimension to continue the next step. Okay, then we have to duplicate again to make the multiple floor of this commercial building by click this slab, select move, press Ctrl on our keyboard and click from this origin to this origin and duplicate again as much as we want. Anyway, maybe the three floor, we can set the three floor of this commercial building. Okay, and then we can make the another elements. We can make the glazing element with using rectangle. We can click from this corner to this corner. Then we can triple click this plane and offset it inside around 500 millimeter. Enter. Then we can click this plane, right click and erase, and then we can triple click, right click and erase again. Then we can click this surface and push it until the ground floor. Then we can triple click, make group and click again. Okay, then we can delete the top and the bottom surface like this with using click the surface and press delete on our keyboard. Then we can click this vertical frame, select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 18 slash and enter. And also this one, we can click to vertical and click to vertical again. Then we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 13 slash and enter. Okay, then we can exit from the group. Okay, then we can assign the blue glass material like this, and then we can make the another shading element with using the rectangle. Click from this position until this position, and we can push it to the front around 6 meter approximately. Then we can click this line, we can select move and click from this corner until this corner approximately. Then we can triple click and make group. Okay, then we can make the rectangle again in this position, okay, we can make the rectangle or rotated rectangle. Okay, then we can click from this position until this position and drag to the another side around 1 meter and enter. Okay, so then we can slice this surface with using the line. Click from this position until this position, then we can click this plane, right click erase and click this line, erase, click this line and erase again. Then we can get this sliced plane. Then we can click this push pull, click this surface and push it down until this position approximately, or this position. Okay, then we can click this line and select a move. Okay, then we can move this one to this position. Okay, and or maybe we can move it until the limit like this approximately, and we can double click, right click and make group, and then we can change the color to make the attractive color. Maybe we can change with the orange color in here, and we can change the slab color. We can change the slab border color to be gray color in here. Okay, and we can change the ceiling color with a black color approximately like this. Okay, then now we can make the another elements. We can make the another element with using rectangle. Click from this position until this position, okay, approximately. Then we can push it to the front around 6.5 meter approximately. And now we can also click this line. We can select a move and place to this position. Okay, so we can get the folded canopy. Then we can make it longer than before, and then we can triple click and make group, and also we can change the border, okay, with using the orange color like this. Okay, then now we can make the another elements. We can make this one. We can make the terrace floor, and we can click this one and select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 8/ and enter. Okay, so then we can get the distance about 12 centimeter for every single step. Then we can push it to the another side. Okay, so this is just for schematic stair step, so you can improve more. You can improve more about this step with the standard dimension. This is just for a quick drawing, just for example to how to draw the step in here, so you can explore more until you get the correct one. Okay, then you can assign with the materials like this. Okay, then anyway, you can also make the another elements with using the vertical elements like this. For example, you can draw with using a rectangle. Okay, you can draw with using a rectangle in here, and you can make it longer. Okay, then you can push it to the front like this, triple click, make group, and right click, make component, create. Okay, then you can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Then we can type 9/ and enter, or you can make it more, or you can make it more thin. Okay, you can click this one, select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then you can type 15/ and enter. Okay, then you can also change the color with using the another maybe you can use the wood materials to make it more natural, and you can set the saturation level, and you can set the lightness level, and okay, you can select those all of the vertical wood, and you can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this another position, maybe just like this, or you can also scale it down in here. Then you can delete some unnecessary or extra vertical wood elements over there. Okay, then you can also make the another variation to the another position. You can move and duplicate, and you can rotate this one 90 degree. Okay, you can select a move and place to this position. Then you can place to the appropriate position as you want. You can select the group and select a move and press Ctrl to the another position like this. Then you can scale it down until this position, and you can also scale it down till this position. Then you can select this one, select a move, press Ctrl and place this position. You can place this position, and again you can place to the another position like this. Okay, you can drag to this another position. Okay, and you can continue this pattern to the front side, because I look this pattern is the more attractive than before. You can duplicate this one and rotate it again 90 degree, and you can select a move and place to this another position. Okay, then you can duplicate again to the another side. Okay, then you can duplicate this one to the another side also. Okay, and okay, I think it's enough. Okay, then we can activate the shadow in here, and we can activate the another style. Okay, we can change and select the another style of it, just like this. Okay, so you can improve this another elements. You can assign the 3 materials in here with using this one, and you can move to this position and to the another position like this. It's just for example. Okay, thanks for watching. You can improve for the another elements on this building like a situation, and you can improve much more about it by your own exercise. And you can also change the shadow orientation like this to make it more realistic. Okay, approximately just like this. Okay, I think it's enough. So you can improve this exercise to be your own exercise, and you can improve it better by your own version. Thanks for watching. Just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.